Open door. I just opened the door. Anybody could join the party. Those cats are full to their stomach. Thank you to my viewers that they donated 2 boxes of pedigree right here. Amazon just brought them today. I just fed them a box and 2 cans for everybody could start eating. First was the cats, and I just opened the gate for anybody to come. This is Sushi Cat, my favorite. She has blue eyes. Sushi! Sush! 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 Let people see you, Sushi. Sush! Sushi! I brought him from Puerto Rico a few months back. Sush! Sushi! Sush! I brought both of these cocks from Puerto Rico, and they're just fighters.